Hi everyone! My name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers image masking widget to your Squarespace website. Image masking is a creative way to showcase content in different masked styles, using shapes, text, or custom designs to make your website more unique and visually engaging without taking up too much space. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Image Masking in the widget library and open it. After that, you'll see the Layout selection screen. Choose a layout according to your preference and the widget editor will open. On the left side, you'll see the Settings panel, and on the right side, you'll see the Live Preview. In the Content tab, you can add your image source, replace the image if needed, change the mask text, and adjust the font size. Once your design looks good, go to the Templates tab. Here you can change the layout style. In the Appearance tab, the settings will vary based on the template you have selected. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy the code and go to your Squarespace site editor. Inside the editor, add a code block, then paste the installation code into it. After that, save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.